Good evening to all. Now let us see the concept of supply chain management in a different perspective. So it came from the academic literature and practitioner literature, where a relatively new concept is introduced in the early 1990s only. So the recognition of supply chain management happened in the mid 1990s, where all witnessed a growing recognition that there could be value in coordinating the various activities inside the manufacturing unit and also outside the manufacturing unit. So that is within organizations and across organizations. So what does mean by the recognition? So with this recognition came into being the philosophy of supply chain management. So the supply chain management concept is that it encompasses all activities associated with flow and transformation of goods from the raw material stage, that is extraction stage, through the end user. So through to the end user. Information flows to and from the end user. So information flows from company to the customer, and the information flows from customer to the industry. So both the ways the information flows will happen. So what does the supply chain concept consist of? It consists of all these basic components which we have already discussed in our first lecture. So manufacturers, suppliers, transporters, warehouses, retailers and customers. So the types of supply chain configurations are, there are three types. One is a direct supply chain, extended supply chain and ultimate supply chain. So this is the typical explanation of a direct supply chain. That is, supplier will give to the organization, and the organization in the sense the industries will directly sell the products to the customer. This is called as direct supply chain. So extended supply chain is, so from the supplier to the manufacturing unit to the customer, and then customer's customer. So this is called as extended version. It is extended supply chain network. So suppliers from the supplier, from from more number of suppliers to a single point of supply. So ultimate supply chain is this one, which is a combination of um, both extended supply chain and a basic supply chain. So here, the financial provider, market research, and the industry which is manufacturing. What are the products to be manufactured? What are the who are all the customers to be targeted? All these things are included in the ultimate supply chain, which is a flexible one. So the planning and management of all activities involved in the supply chain management is very much essential for sourcing and procuring the raw materials, for the conversion rate, for increasing the conversion rate and logistics management. So the management of supply chain involves the coordination between suppliers, intermediaries, third-party service providers, and customers. So there should be some coordination and collaboration between these channel partners to have an effective supply chain management. So it integrates the supply and demand within and across the organizations of same nature. So why manage the supply chain? So we need to perform better in every financial measure of success. This is the reason for managing the supply chain. So five basic components of supply chain management are planning, sourcing, return, planning, sourcing, making, delivering, and return. So where the make to order and make to stock are also involved. So this make to order and make to stock, let us see in our next video. Now let us conclude with the key attributes of supply chain. So number one is customer power, long-term orientation, leveraging technology, enhanced communication across organizations, inventory stock, inter-organizational collaboration. So this is a diagrammatic representation for a typical supply chain, is ultimate supply chain. So wherein the logistics also plays a major role. So with this, I'll stop for this lecture presentation, and in the next lecture we can go for the cycle of continuous improvement. Thank you.